Right. I'm just going to jump in here and say, let's talk about stats as well, right? So, I can't remember how to get to your most popular stats. I don't ever look at my stats, right? So, I don't think I've got any loved stats. What you're going to do, and you could do a marketing thing where um you put on your link, you put your quick link, you've got some sort of promotion code, you've got 20% off. So say this camera were 20% off, you had a code that said Sony 20 off, and you put on your Facebook ad a link to that code, or a link to that discount, or you told people to use it, right? So you would have, let me find something with a decent amount of clicks. So promo, right? So I looked at that promo link, and we can go in and open it, and it's going to show me a certain amount of stats, right? July, I only created it in July, and over the months here, I've had 9 clicks here, 20, 45 clicks here. I can see where the clicks have come from. So 15% in America, 23% in India. It's click type, 92% were. What days are they coming in on? So it works the most on the Tuesday. Where's the link? Is it direct, going straight to it, or are they clicking from a social media network? Which network? For me, obviously YouTube. 98% of people have clicked on YouTube. What type of computer? What type of device? So when you're pushing people to an advert, are you putting them into a desktop place where whatever comes up looks good on the desktop? Browsers, device type, language. So it gives you a lot of information on whatever you're selling, or wherever you've sent people to, right? So it's an extra layer of, you can see the stats on this click. So promo could just tell me the stats, but now I can see my stats on my side. Do they match up with what promo are saying? Because you're going to get some affiliate companies, I'm not saying promo are, they paid me out, might say you've only had 5 clicks or 10 clicks. Well, hold on, promos, Rebrandly says 106 people have done it. So there may be you clicking on that, but is it really 100 clicks out? So the stats are really good, aren't they? So you see what I mean? If you run some sort of advert, you run some sort of promotion, you add the link. This is a unique link, and then you can collect the stats. How well did that video really do? Don't believe Facebook on, this is how many times somebody clicked on your link. You've got a little level of analytics in between there, showing you when did it work, when does it work best, what most popular hours a day, when should we run this advert again, and on what platforms did it work on? Because you might have run it on Twitter as well, and it's saying there's nobody's clicked it on Twitter. Oh, so I hope you're getting that. I like Rebrandly. I use it every day. I use it because it saves me time and it saves me money, because I've never paid them a penny. As you say, you get to 5,000 clicks, you're not going to get stats after that on the free version. But for a lot of people, that's going to be plenty anyway.